What's up, everyone? Yeah, you read the title right. We're gonna pit a modern laptop up against this ancient computer. Now, a video on this laptop, it's a HP ProBook X360 435G7. Announced in January of 2020, it is powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 4500U and runs Windows 10 Education 20H2. Meanwhile, this machine, you wouldn't know anything about, because I've never shown it on my channel before until today. Well, it was in a community post, but other than that, nothing about it. I'll make a more in-depth video about the acquisition of this computer, but next week or next year to be more advanced. But this is a Gateway E2100. I've had it for only a few days, and it is capable of dual booting. But yes, I know it's capable of dual booting, and I prefer you booting it into Windows 2000. But for this video, we're gonna boot it up into Windows XP, because that's what it originally shipped with, and so I want to be more fair. But even still, I don't know how fair this video will be. So yeah, I'm not gonna do these at the same time. We're gonna test this out first. In 3, 2, 1... start. You can see right here, I'll hold this up to the camera. Windows XP, and it's going to boot into Windows XP. And well, we do not need to put in, and there's no password to be put in. So this is, and so we're just going to see all the way till the desktop configures and gets fully configured. Because this is an older machine, and yeah, I know I should be more fair, but, welcome. 39 seconds and 39.60 milliseconds. And now, it is time for the HP ProBook. 3, 2, 1, start. And we have to put in a pass, and we also have to be quick on our hands, because this thing, I have to put in a password in order for her to get into the desktop. Also, information will be censored at this point, because I don't want to show my name. Applying computer settings. Oh. Enter. We're already 28 seconds in. Let's see how will this thing, will I have, now, let's see. Now, yeah, this thing does, 38, 39, oh, well. Okay, preparing Windows, we're still going. And I'll just, not the best, but it still has to load some things. I'll just cap it at that. No, dang it, I think I just did something unintended. What did I just do? I meant to, we need to, I have no idea what that is. I'll just turn this thing off now. No, we're not gonna do a shutdown test. I'm doing that. Alright, anyway, so, yeah, I'll put up the times for these machines, and we'll just, yeah, this thing also has to, it doesn't have any updates, but yeah, so, a summary of this video. Don't use computers that your school gives out to you. Older hardware shouldn't be underestimated. This thing, even with the boot menu, still managed to start up faster than this computer. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you next year. Bye.